Hello and welcome everyone. In this video I would like to review Wi-Fi repeater. This is the package which I have received to review, and I would like to open it first before we go further. So let's just cut it off. So quite a nice packaging, I would say. So this is how it looks like. So it's pretty, I would say, more or less like the size of a hand, and it's written on the box Wi-Fi range extender or repeater. So it supports 2.4 gigahertz and 5.8 gigahertz as well. The funny thing is the word gigahertz, as far as I know, is not written correctly even. So because H, as far as I know, it should be capital. Anyway, so 1200 megabit per second, dual band Wi-Fi repeater. So fine. What else have we got in here? All right, the back side. That's the model, frequency range, antenna, transmission rate, so the power. What else have we got? The button, working environment, pretty much standard stuff. So it has 4 antennas as well. Let's just open it up and see what we have got. So pretty tough packaging, I would say. Well, am I doing something wrong in here? Oh, all right, so we need to open from here. Okay, good. Oops. So what a weird package. I mean, don't know from where. Okay, from here can be good. All right, so now we have it. So this is the package when you open it. I would say from the first glance, not even clean the product, so a lot of dust and so on around it. So this is the antenna. I would say pretty dirty for a new package. So quite a lot of dust all around it and a lot of fingerprints somehow. Okay, so this is the antenna. So I would say the antenna is quite flexible as well, can be moved around. So basically the antenna is generating a kind of wave around it, so the movement really makes difference. So I've seen it myself as well. So that's the repeater. Then we have got, well, that's it, pretty much a LAN cable and user manual. So such a big package, just compare it, I would say this could have been removable. Actually it is removable. I think we could remove it. Yeah, there we go. Here we go. So this can be removed. This is a very smart move recently. I see from many providers doing this, because when they put the button like this, it doesn't matter where they have produced it. So this is the European head. Basically they can even put the head from, let's say, the Chinese standard or the American standard. So then they have one production line with different heads. So that's what I'm thinking. They could have actually put this in the packaging like this, and they could have saved half of this space in here. So not the best and the most economic way of sending the product. Actually, it doesn't even look good. I mean, like if you have a big package, it doesn't mean anything. So, all right, let's put this back. Good. Let's see what we have got in the installation guide. It comes with couple of different languages: French, English, German, and Spanish. So it has, apparently it has like 4 different lights. This is the kind of screen, and the lights, they will represent different status, connections, or the weakness and the strength of this. And then there is a kind of repeater. One shall connect to it and then basically set this up. Looks pretty simple to me. So this is where the LAN cable is, basically, which is used for configurations. I mean, you can connect this part of the LAN cable here and the other side to the computer and basically configure the system. And this is the reset button. Well, I hope you enjoyed it. That's pretty much it. If you have any questions, let me know down below in the comment section. If you have any products which you would like me to review, please get in touch with me. I'm happy to do so. And don't forget to like and subscribe. And see you in the next video. Until then, thank you and bye bye.